Okay, all three are old men. Right now?
No.
So cute. Alright, go bathe.
Yeah.
Get ready to do her hair for school. So I'm gonna do her hair and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on. I promise it's not the same style, but it looks like the same, but it's not. So yeah. All right, go get ready for get your jacket on. I'm gonna go take them to the bus stop, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. What do you want?
No.
Oh my gosh, guys, look what I got. I found this. Why do you have Panda in this thing? Stop being a man, Jill. Where's your shirt? Where's your shirt? Where's your clothes, boy? You're being annoying. Let me get up and go put out my dinner.
Hey!
Move your butt. Move your butt.
Ow!
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, so.
No!
Okay, so I figured out what's been breaking out my face. And it's the braids. These. Stop. Cut it out. It's the braids. It's been breaking out my face. So, I don't know. So, I am going to be cooking in the crock pot today. I'm going to do crock pot. So, it's 11:29. 11:29. And, I'm going to put my crock pot on. Okay, so I already have my chicken in here already. So what I'm gonna do is gonna put it on. Dun, dun, dun. So I'm gonna plug up this bad boy. And I'm gonna open this. We're having this is a chef prepared dinner home garlic and herb seasoned whole chicken. This bad boy was $10. So I'm gonna put this in here and start it. Okay, so chicken is in, and I'm gonna turn a little knob on the high.
I farted.
And nice little installation.
I farted.
Okay. And I'm gonna put the cover on. And this is gonna cook until 4. I'm gonna have me some Greek yogurt with granola. Some granola for lunch. Okay, so this is what I'm having is some maple syrup, granola, and Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt for my lunch. Oh, child, I'm coming. Okay, guys, so my chicken is looking so good. It's finished, but I'll give it another hour because it's only 3 o'clock. So, yeah. So, I'm going to work on this pile of clothes right here. I'm going to put them away and tidy up the living room. Those are clothes to put away, clothes donation. All of this right here, except for that boy. He's not donation. Do you want to be donated? No? Okay. And I need to clean up Jackson's mess that he had right here. Get this little chair out of here. Make my bed. Take those pillows. These are our sleeping pillows. These are my make my bed pillows. If that makes any sense. So sleeping pillow, make my bed pillow. So I'm gonna make my bed and show you guys what it looks like. Yes. So laundry, and then I have to pick up the kids' clothes off the floor from this morning when they took a shower. I have to make the twins. Okay, so my bed is made. The stuff that was on the floor is up. And yeah. So that's that. Now on to the kids' room. Okay, so the boys' room is finished. All the beds are made. What's down there? Yeah. So, yep, let's finish. So, finish all the baskets except for that basket. That basket is Jackson's basket that I'm gonna put away. I have to resort his clothes and how I have his clothes. Let me show you guys how I do his stuff. Get down! Get down! Okay, this is Jackson's clothing system. And there's many of them. And they all go up here. So I'm going to redo how I do his clothes. And he has 2 drawers in my room. Jordan, show us your hairstyle.
Stuck in the water.
Let me see it.
Fortunately,
Turn around.
Daddy,
Daddy turn you to an old man. Turn around. Daddy turn you to an old man.
Daddy.
Gotta go get mommy. Daddy, if it turns off here,
Expecting
You don't want to be an old man? We'll tell Daddy to fix it.
Yeah, we were always expecting unexpected, but again.
Let me see it. Come, Jason. Come
You
closer.
gotta hope the power don't go out.
Okay.
Don't get on my bed. You have hair on you.
Come closer.
I'm Power Man.
Yeah, we gonna leave it like that,
Turn
man.
to the side. Okay.
Jason likes
Turn to
that.
the Gia, you want yours done too? Jason, you want to be an old man? No, Jackson. Maybe we should seriously leave them like that.
It's cool, man. Huh?
Hi,
Okay, all 3 are old men. You right, Dad?
No.
So cute. Alright, go bathe.
Yeah.
Yay! It's day 2! See? Took my hair out. I'm gonna put braids back in it. It's a mess. It's a mess. But, anyway, I am cooking. So, what?
Can you make cupcake?
Can you what?
Can you make cupcake?
I don't have any eggs. Still don't have any eggs.
Okay.
So, I'm making curry goat today in my crock pot. So, can you have a banana?
Yeah.
Those are green banana.
Huh?
Those are green banana. I'm about to put You can't have green bananas.
Why?
Because it's a green banana.
What is it for then?
Huh?
What is it for then?
What it's for?
Yeah.
It's for dinner.
Please.
Don't beg.
Please, Mommy. Please.
I'm doing laundry. So I have that load. Kids' top, underwear, all in my kitchen. So, let's see. This is my curry goat and my crock pot. So right now I just put scallion, potato, and onion in here. I think it needs a little bit more curry.
No, you're lying, Mommy. You're lying? You're lying?
Yeah, put some
You're lying. You're lying? You're lying? You're lying.
I'm not lying. I don't appreciate you saying that.
Yeah, you are lying. You are lying.
I'm not lying, Jackson.
Yeah, you are lying.
Whatever.
You are lying.
What am I lying about?
You're lying about it.
They can't be eaten. They're green.
Do
They're supposed to be cooked.
you cook it?
I am cooking them for dinner. So, it's like really late at night. I don't even think you guys can see me. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I'm in bed. I didn't want you guys to have this abrupt ending, so this is it for the vlog. You guys probably get this tomorrow, which is Friday. So, thanks for watching. Have a good night.